This is, how can I help you?
Hey, I'm calling with reach who handles facilities if they're available.
I usually do.
Oh, okay, perfect. We were calling to give some information. We help businesses decrease their energy usage through tailored energy projects. Have you guys recently looked into ways to save on your current utility expenses?
No, we have not.
Okay. Would it be something you're interested in, or we could at least give you a little information to look over?
You could send some information. I
Okay.
can look over it and see if there's any real interest.
Interest there. Yeah. What was your first name?
My name is,
Okay. And then what's a good email for you?
yes.
Okay. Perfect. I can definitely get some info sent out to you. So the way it works, after you get that email, we do just look at your current utility bill and kind of assess how much energy you're using and come up with a proposal that makes sense for your needs. But most businesses do qualify for tax incentives to cover most of the project expenses. So after you get that email, do you have some time within the next week or so to just have a sit-down meeting with me and kind of go a little more in depth with what we do?
Um, I've got a pretty busy schedule in the next 2 weeks, so I don't know whether
Okay.
I'll be able to squeeze that in or not.
Okay. Did you want to do something like the middle of next month, maybe? Just so we can get something on the calendar for you?
Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure what's a slower day for you. I do have sometimes Monday and Tuesday, the 3rd, 4th, and the 5th next month. Or I guess that's too soon for you, huh? Let's see.
I'm not sure how that week is turning out yet. I've got a few other things that are still pending that I may have to assist with.
Okay.
I don't think that's a good week.
That week. Maybe
Either.
the 10th. Maybe sometime that week.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let me see. Did you want to do that Monday or another day for you?
I think probably, yeah, Monday afternoon might work.
Okay. I do have for the afternoon. I have 12, 12:31. Just throw a time out. I'll be able to put you on the calendar.
1 o'clock.
Okay. Perfect. And then you are in.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Well, I'll get that email first sent out to you, and then we can have. I believe it'll be our friend Matt, so he'll be able to answer any direct questions you might have for February
Okay.
10th at 1 p.m. And then, do you have a utility bill available that you'll be able to send to Matt to review before the meeting as well?
Well, there's been a few changes, so I don't know that would be a real good reference at this time.
Okay. Okay. I'll definitely let him know that. And then, do you guys operate multiple facilities, or is it just one location?
It's just one location.
Okay. Perfect. And then you're the owner or manager at the building?
Yes.
Oh, both owner slash manager.
Something like that.
Okay, gotcha. Well, I'll get that over to you, just so you can get some information. And then, like I said, Matt will be meeting with you. Will be you don't have to have your camera on or anything, but he'd like to kind of show his face and kind of maybe pull up some pictures to kind of show you what proposal might
Okay.
look like.
Okay.
All right, perfect. Well, I appreciate you taking my call, Miss. Bye.
Bye.